the MAGIA by Zulay Kitchen, a fully automatic coffee and espresso machine. It has a large touchscreen with a built-in recipe menu with over 20 delicious drinks to choose from. Every drink is fully customizable to your preference, and you can create preset drinks so you can have your perfect customized coffee at the push of a button. It has an adjustable grinder going from ultra-fine to coarse grindings, and an exquisite brewing process ensuring delicious coffee every time. It also makes ideal steamed milk for latte art. It has a built-in auto-clean function. It's like having your own personal barista in your home. Exquisite coffee at the push of a button. How to set up your MAGIA coffee machine for first-time use. Remove the coffee machine from the box and place it on a flat surface. Ensure the brewer unit, dustpan, and waste basket are in place. Place the front drip tray on the product. Add water to the tank up to the max fill line. Add coffee beans into the bean hopper. Put in the milk system. Install the milk system tube by inserting the red part into one of the holes located on either side of the milk system. Plug your MAGIA in. Tap the display screen with your finger. The machine will start up. It will perform a self-clean. Self-cleaning uses about 1/4 cup of water. You can place a cup on the tray to catch this water, or allow it to fall into the tray. The tray can hold around 3 cups of water. Once the main screen is available, your machine is ready for use. If the drink you want to make contains milk, pour milk into a cup and place the milk system tube into the milk. Now, simply place your coffee cup under the dispenser and press the icon for the drink you would like to make. How to remove and replace the brew group. Open the door on the side of the unit, remove the waste basket and set it aside. Grab the brew group handle and press down with your thumb on the top surface to unlock it. Pull out the brew group. To replace, make sure the brewer switch is in the standard configuration. Put the unit back on the grooves and slide it back in until you hear a click. Put the waste basket back in and close the door.